those 3 secret signs that this woman is into you? What are her signals? How do you know if she likes you? My love, I'm going to tell you. Well, bonjour, hello, welcome, mon amour, my love. I am so thankful and glad to have you here with me. My name is Erica Angelo, and if you've been watching my videos, then you know I'm in France. And so I'm sharing with you not only this helpful advice and information, and my stomach is rumbling because I've just had coffee, but also if you stay to the end, I'm also showing you videos and clips of my struggles and my highs and my lows and fun times and just the beauty of France. So make sure that you stay to the end. And listen, if you're into understanding women, attraction, and sex, then make sure that you subscribe. You turn on that notification bell because that will let you know every time I let out one of these juicy videos. So let's jump right into this. How do you know this woman is into you? One, us women aren't just gonna always directly tell you. And the reason why, I know a lot of you guys get frustrated with this. When I'm working with clients, you guys are like, she just won't tell me, and so you feel like she's testing you. It's not so much that her mission is, I'm here to test this man, to break him down. That's not why women are saying yes to you and showing up on dates with you. But what she is doing is she is allowing you the opportunity to pursue her. And that's kind of how this thing works. You know, we have vaginas, you have penis, you're the penetrator, we're the receiver. And so a woman is actually trying to set you up to when to pursue her. But that's just it. The pursuit is part of your part. So she's not going to be direct, because if she were direct with you and just said, yes, I'm into you, I want to jump your bones, there would be no pursuit. You just bam, get right into it. And now some of you guys are watching going, hell yeah, like I kind of like that. You do like that. It would be fun for 1, 2, 3 times, but then after a while you would lose the thrill. You would lose a sense of chase. So that's why, just think of it as, this woman is working for me, but she's setting me up so I get to pursue her. I am the hunter. Be comfortable with being the hunter that you are, my dear. So what are those signs? I'm going to not only tell you the signs, but also show you some personal examples of body language so that it's clear, because I think just hearing this is one thing, but being able to see it and have it demonstrated is another. So when a woman is into you, one of the signs that she's going to give is she's going to be really feminine with you. She's going to be girly with you. So for example, you'll hear this in her tonality. If a woman is not into you, it's going to sound like this. Okay, now I'm talking to you and I am giving you advice. And so this is what you're gonna do with women. Do you hear my tone in that? It's very masculine, which women have. We have our masculine and we have our feminine. So that's a very masculine tone. But if I talk to you like this, listen, my love, I am gonna tell you all the secrets about us women, and I'm gonna let you know what our signals are so that you never, ever lose an opportunity with a woman who's into you. Do you hear that, how it's softer? I'm leaning in, I'm engaging with you. I become more almost flowery. It's a very tenderness that comes. It's almost like a dance. When a woman is with you, you have to ask yourself, tap into your intuition, because men have intuition as well. Ask yourself, do I feel like I'm in a dance with this woman right now? Or do I feel like I'm on a job interview? Chances are, if you feel like you're on a job interview and it's very direct, it's very cold, it's not soft, that's a sign that she's either very guarded with you and she's not sure that she's into you, or she's just not having it. She's not feeling you. This is not the woman for you. But when she becomes very feminine, when a woman is feminine, we tend to touch ourselves, we touch our hair, we are very interested in what you have to say, so we lean in. There's a softness that comes over a woman. When a woman feels safe with you and she's like, I am definitely interested in this guy, you're gonna see her soften. Think of it like a flower blossom. She's gonna start opening up to you. But if she's reserved and guarded and almost feels like, oh my gosh, this is like a soldier that I'm on a date with, chances are that's a signal that she's not into you. And so just understand that this isn't the woman for you. in the day, move on. The other way that you're gonna tell whether or not she's into you is how she's positioning herself with you. So if her knees, let's say her legs are crossed, which sometimes is a sign of I'm protecting myself, so I'm closed off, I'm doing this. If she's doing this, she's just very closed off, then that's a sign that she's not feeling you or she's not feeling safe with you. So if the knees are pointing out, that's a sign that she's not really engaged with you, and that's a signal that this woman's not into you. But when a woman is really into you, my love, she's going to turn her body. Let's say you're sitting right here. She is going to turn her body and she's going to lean in and she's going to be engaged and she's going to look at you and she's going to nod and almost like she's entranced with you. Like, yes, that's fascinating. But when a woman is like looking all over the place, her body language is away from you, she's not into you, she's just wanting to like get out of this date, or she's just a very guarded woman. And so you have to ask yourself, do I want to pursue a guarded woman? So, but if she's turned towards you and she's leaning in and she's listening and she's very in tune with what you're saying and she's responding back to you and it's a dance in the conversation, this is a sign that she is into you, my love. Now listen, if you're like, I really feel like I miss the signals all the time with women, I'm not really sure how all this works, listen, I encourage you to take my attraction quiz. It's completely free and it lets you know, like, are you the man that women are attracted to? Or are there some things that maybe you need to tweak and change that might be ending and stopping the attraction? So make sure that you take that quiz so that you get clear on if you're the kind of man that women are drawn to and attracted to. And the third sign is this, is that she is connecting with you in the conversation, meaning she is asking you meaningful and insightful questions. She is asking you about the things that make you feel, meaning if she's not into you, she's like, what do you do for work? What is your profession? Oh, that's wonderful. Okay. And where's your family from? Oh, fantastic. What size of a family do you have? You see, it's like more of an interview, but when a woman is really engaged and she is connecting with you, like, tell me where you're from. What do you like to do for fun? Oh, I like to go hiking. I like to go skiing. Oh, wow. What do you love about skiing? Do you see how she's not just like, oh, okay, ending it and moving along because she's just trying to be polite? When she says, what do you love about it? Now she's engaging you. Now she really wants to get to know you. She's wanting to know if there's a connection there, because a woman is always looking for, is there going to be a future with this guy? And if she senses that there's a future with you, she's going to connect with you more. She's into you if she's looking for that future. But if she's just asking polite questions and they're ending, that's a sign that she's dropping the conversation and she's not into you. But if she is prolonging the conversation and she's trying to get to know you more intimately, my love, this is a sign that this woman is really into you and you want to make sure that you close the deal with this woman. Now, in the comments section below, I want you to tell me, are there some other signals that you feel like women have given you that maybe you've missed? And did you learn from this? I can't wait to read your comments. And now, my love, I'm gonna show you more France because I just think this is fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this as well. And if you haven't seen my other videos, make sure that you watch them, the last ones I've done, because they show you fun little quirks and things that I've gotten, messes I've gotten into already here in France. But my love, remember this, that when it comes to women, if you're feeling defeated, know this, that you, my dear, that you have what it takes. It's inside of you. I'm just here to help pull it out of you. And know this, that you, my dear, that you are already loved. I'll see you next time. they say when you walk barefoot on the grass, that car passed, that it grounds you. It's like meditation. So sometimes you just need to take your shoes off and walk in the grass and ground yourself, my man, and not step in dog shit, because that's not very grounding.